A particle of mass 5 kilograms is acted upon by 3 forces. F1 is equal to 10I plus 3J newtons. F2 is 7I minus xj newtons. And force 3 is Yi plus 8j newtons. Given that the acceleration is 5 meters per second squared in the I direction, find x and y. So, the resultant force is going to be 10(3) plus 7 negative x plus y8. So that's going to be 17 plus y, 11 minus x. So the acceleration is going to be, remember, this is 5 kilograms. So MA is 5A, and that's going to be 17 plus y, 11 minus x, which gives me that A is going to be 17 add y divided by 5, 11 minus x divided by 5. But we were told in the question that that's 5, 0, because it's entirely in the I direction, so the j component is 0. So 17 add y divided by 5 is equal to 5, which gives us 17 add y equals 25, multiplying both sides by 5, which gives me y is 8. Of course, that would be in newtons because it's a force. And then looking here, we've got 11 take away x over 5 equals 0, and that can only happen if x is 11. Actually, we don't need the newtons on that because the newtons is outside here, so those are just numbers. Y is 8, x is 11.